Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to resize image in Publisher document. So get it started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show resize your image. Now go to the insert button option. For click, then click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now for click, then click for insert option, then go into the format one option, then click for a size. Now click from a height option. Now choose from height 10 and 10. Now click for OK. That is. Then again, now go to the size option. Twelve. Now click for OK. That is. Then we show resize the image in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.